What is up people, this is Blue Winer here, welcome back to Winer Survival. In this episode I'm going to be going on creative for 2 episodes, only 2 episodes, for normal pack and survival. The reason why I'm going on creative because I just want to boost stuff, like yeah. I see a lot of people who are young YouTubers and going creative, even when they're not supposed to go into survival. But what's this? I don't know why that's there, but never mind. Anyway, let's quickly get this. Yeah. Anyway, let's go on creative. Are you a boy or... I'm a boy, mate. I would be called White Knight if I wasn't a boy. Because... No, I think, I don't know. Anyway, I'm pretty sure you all know this, but this is my sis house. Yep. Anyway, see this stuff outside videos. Looks good. Anyway, that's her house. Let's see what's it done on top. Do the same on this, but it still looks good. Anyway, let's come on. So what I'm going to create today is, well, I don't know. I know that's it for it. I don't know, but I want to actually prepare for this. Maybe I can build something up here. What can I do? Maybe a path. Yeah, I'm gonna make a pack. Instead, I'm gonna put stone cobble walls instead of fences. Anyway, let's get ready.
Where are you going? Doesn't matter. I know, Mum.
Let's come in. I don't know how big it's gonna get. Depends on how big of a grass place is and all that. But we'll see. It's not going to be big, of course, because, well, I just see that. I just don't know anymore. Anyway, let's go on. Let's make a fence here.
Go get your bags. You're coming home with us. Me?
Let's do some fences there.
Very great. I mean, call me, shut up. Before I change my mind.
Let's see. I'm gonna build some fences here. I'm going to start with this string. It's not going to be exactly like a pack because I don't know how to make one. I've never made one before.
Oh no. So I know how much you miss it, lady died.
Oh boy, let's go in.
Yeah, if you clear up the nest.
No, that's all I'm going to put fences there instead. No, not there. Here.
Come sit up in front of me, Mum.
No, let's put it here. Perfect. Oh, I don't know. I don't think it's... Yeah, that's perfect. No, not there. Let's see if I got it right. Is that it? Yep. So, I know it's not fun, but I don't know how you create one. Okay, so let's start another one. This one we're gonna create a roller coaster. Maybe I should have built more cobblestone walls. I'll use that one. I'm sorry, I'm just not talking. I'm not talking too much to people. I'm sorry. Anyway, so let's build it here. No, not there. Build it here.
Don't worry, the ambulance is on its way. Yeah, you're not cold. We need to go to A&E. Those pennies we see in the shop. Not funny, though, Liz. Please say hello, Nathan. Always getting ETA.
Sweet. I'm gonna have to test this out first. Can't get it too close.
No. I want you to finish.
Can't get it too close. I'm trying to make it look like a roller coaster instead of something else. But, like I said, I never created. Oh yeah, I did create a park a long time ago. It was on my first world. But, anyway. That is fun over there. Well, that was, but yeah, that will work. Somehow we have to try and get close to maybe that. Yeah, that'll work. Sweet. Okay, so now for our tests, when we are oh god, I was afraid this might happen, people. Let's put some stone on it. Hopefully this works.
The gory the better for me. Open heart
We are, dude.
Do you remember General Hospital? No.
Okay, now I know what to do this time.
I was on the
I'm positive I know what to do. First I put 2 levers on. For example, like that. Dude, don't do that, I'm on. You know, maybe he has an idea. Maybe he has a better idea than I do. No, let's just leave that. First, let's. Oh, for God's sake, every single time it rains on my world. I'm starting to get sick of it. I also gotta check time. Dude, well, I know it works, but look, we seesaw complete. Now people can have fun. Okay, so now for the next thing. Oh, I'm gonna have to build my walls. Oh my goodness me. Let's come in. It's nearly coming to the end of the first video. No, it's gonna be bigger. I should actually look at it first before I start building it. Because it probably might be massive. I don't need a ladder to do it, Mom. perfect. I think, yeah, it's perfect. My friend did a video on my world. If you want to check his video out, it's called Creeper. He's been my friend since last week, year 1. Anyway, that's coming.
Just when you feel like he's starting to move on, I didn't mean anything I said myself.
Wait a minute, I'm on creative. I don't need, I'm gonna make it look like survival actually. Anyway, let's carry on.
Because you know what they're going to do.
Perfect. Anyway.
I'm sitting here like I'm the one.
Dude, no, what are you doing?
My tragedy having to deal with it. Just
No, dude, don't. Oh, what an idiot. Okay. Come on, Wither. Come on, be a good boy. Dude, you do that again, I'll kick you out from game. How the hell are you supposed to make these things move? Dude, don't attack him. No! Well, at least he's not attacking, but still, mate, if you do that one more time, you would be kicked. Dude, fuck off. No! I'm sorry, I'm very sure. Oh, dude, no, come on. Wait, maybe. Oh, thank God. I don't think it's on, thank God. Dude, please don't do. Sorry for swearing, people, but dude. You know what? Well, never mind. I feel bad for not straight at him, but he did do that, and I just don't like it when he does stuff like that. Anyway, let's go on. Yeah, I'm gonna end the video here because it's almost time and all that, and it's coming close to the end of the video anyway. So in the next episode I'm going to finish this off and see what else is next. Anyway, so hopefully you enjoyed. I'll see you all in the next episode. Bye.